How to get a free Lyft ride. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guy, and in today's guide video I'll to show you how you can get a free Lyft ride. Now keep in mind that if you have never used Lyft before, there is a good chance a promotional code is waiting for you to save some money off of your first trip with the ride hailing service. When you use a promo code, you receive ride credits good for a certain percentage of dollar amount off a completed ride. First-time riders can get up to $25 off, while other users can share an individualized code with friends to earn credits toward future rides. Now, even though there isn't an absolute way to get a free Lyft ride until Lyft offered this service themselves, I'll just show you where you can find it. All you need to do is first of all launch the Lyft app and tap on the three lines from the top left, and here you'll find the option called promos. Just tap on it. Now when you go to the option called enter promo code, you can actually go ahead and enter a promo code that your friend has given you, and once you do that you might get some amount of discount on your first Lyft ride. But you can also see another section that says free rides. Now Lyft is going to sometimes offer a free ride for you, maybe on some kind of occasion such as Christmas, or maybe you have received a gift card and you redeem it and so on. On such occasions you can get a free Lyft ride, but in most cases if you are new, then you can enter a promo code from your friend or anyone else. If you do have one, go ahead and enter the promo code, and of course you will be able to get at least some type of discount, and that's all it takes to get a free or at least a discounted Lyft ride. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.